Hello, I'm Sarah's. I love painting. Let's create something beautiful. Today, we are going to draw an adorable, very colorful little bird. First, draw the face as a soft, round shape. Next, add the beak, small and shaped like a triangle coming out of the face. Now draw the head, a little bigger than the face to make the bird look cute. Then draw the body, like a big oval or a round ball. Draw the wing on one side of the body, shaped like a drop or a leaf. After that, draw the tail, with a few short, round feathers pointing to the back. Now draw the eye as a curved line, like the bird is happy or singing. Then draw the legs, two short lines with tiny toes at the bottom. Now it's time to add color. Color the head, using fun and happy colors like orange and pink. Start by coloring the whole body yellow. Next, color the wings and the tail with a different and funny bird color, like blue-green. After that, color the beak orange. When the colors are done, add soft shadows to make the bird look round. Add little light spots so it looks shiny and bright. Draw tiny dots on the body and wings to look like feathers. To finish, add a small pink circle on the cheek to make the bird look extra cute.
Hello, hello! I'm Brushy. Are you ready to play with me? Look at this cute little bird. It is very, very happy. Do you want to play like the bird? Let's go. First, open your arms and flap your wings. Flap, flap, flap. We are flying like little birds. Now the bird goes down to the ground. Walk with tiny steps. 1, 2, 1, 2. Listen, the little bird says tweet, tweet. Can you say tweet, tweet with me? Great job. Now the bird jumps. Jump, jump. Shh. The little bird is tired. It goes to sleep. Everybody freeze. Wake up. Fly, fly, fly. Amazing work. You are happy little birds. Thank you for playing with me. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.